Good evening, Facebook. This is Patrick Wallace with the Magic of Patrick Wallace with video 4 of today. This one's a number one, and it's going to be very cool. And I'm sorry about the light back here. This is the only place I got to do a video where it's going to be loud in the background. So please forgive that. However, what I give you here is going to make you look like a human calculator. In fact, that's what this trick's called, the human calculator. So what you're going to do is you're going to give the spectator a pen and a piece of paper. And you're going to take a pen and a piece of paper. Now, I always carry around with me a notebook and a pen. In this case, I'm going to show you with my whiteboard here. Every mentalist has a whiteboard. So what we're going to do is I'm going to write it down just like this, and I'm going to show you each step of the way. Now, what you'll do on this trick is you're going to have the paper on the table, and everything's seen, okay? So you ask your spectator to write down a 6-digit number, any 6-digit number. They write it down. Once you look at that, you know exactly what your prediction is going to be. You have to see them write that down. I'll explain why in just a second. And then what happens after that is you ask them to write another 6-digit number right underneath. They do. Then you write a number underneath theirs, and then they write a number underneath yours, and then you write a number underneath theirs. And then you add them all up, and it comes to your prediction. Believe it or not, this is great. This is pure magic, pure mentalism, pure future telling. So here, let me just take one of these, one number here. I'm going to say 978204. 978204. Now, this is key, because what you're going to do, here's the rule. The rule is you're going to take away 2 from the last one. Okay? Let's say that, so you take that away, so now it's 978202. Okay, so here's a caution. What if that was a 0? It'd be 200, right? So you'll take 2 from 200, which is 198. So you got to change these last 3, not just the last one, okay? So now this 2 right here that you took away, you're always going to put it in front. So for this number, the end prediction, what you're going to write down is 2978202. Okay, remember that. I'm going to write it, I'm going to leave that there. Pretend like you don't see this, okay? So let's say they go 978204. Remember, they don't see anything above this, okay? They don't see this. It's gone. It's magically gone. Then you're going to say, now, once you see that, you write down your prediction. Don't show them your prediction, though, okay? So then let's say they write another number down. You say, write another number down here. And let's say that's 236571. Now, that's key, too, because the number you're about to write is going to make a big difference. At whatever number you write, you take their number and you subtract it from 9, and that's what it is. Okay? So this one is a 2. So subtract 2 from 9, you're going to put a 7. 3, 9 minus 3 is 6. You write down 6. 6, 9 minus 6 is 3. 9 minus 5 is 4. 7, 9 minus 7 is 2. And 9 minus 1 is 8. So you come up with this number 763428. Okay? Then they write down another number. It could be any number in the world. Let's say 9. Let's make it a little bit easier for us. Let's say 9. 912413. Okay, now if that happens, 9 minus 9 is 0. So you don't even write anything down. But you're not telling you're writing a 6-digit number down. So at this point, you'll just put a 0, but you won't even put a 0 because 0 is 0, right? You can't start off a number with a 0. So you go to the next one. 9 minus 1 is 8. 9 minus 2 is 7. 9 minus 4 is 5. 9 minus 1 is 8. 9 minus 3 is 6. So, now, if we add these together, here's what's going to happen. So that you only go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. That's pretty cool. That's a lot of numbers. I don't know if I can add this together by myself, but I'm going to try to do public math. 6 plus 3 is 9, plus 8 is 17, plus 1 is 18, plus 4 is 22. Put a 2 down here, carry the 2 over here. 2 plus 7 is 9, plus 2 is 11, plus 1 is 12, plus 8 is 20. 0, 2. Bring the 2 over here. 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 5 is 9, plus 4 is 13, plus 4 is 17, plus 5 is 22. Put a 2 over here. 2 plus 8 is 10, Plus 6 is 16, plus 3 is 19, plus 2 is 21, plus 7 is 28. And then you bring the 2 over here. 2 plus 7 is 9, plus 3 is 12, plus 6 is 18, plus 1 is 19, plus 8, 27. And bring the 2 over here. 2 plus 9 is 11, plus 2 is 13, plus 7 is 20, plus 9 is 29. So your number that they get when they use their calculator is 2,978,202. And then you turn over your prediction that's been in plain view the whole time, face down, is 2,978,202. It matches every time. So a couple of things to talk about here. Get rid of this. The only rule you have to, there's only 2 things you really have to remember for this trick to work, okay? One is, as soon as they write their number down, 6, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. As soon as they write their number down, what you're doing is you're taking 2 from this one mentally, right? And then you're going to add 2 in front, okay? But before you do, you write yours down, you say, okay, you got that number, good. Now write a totally different 6-digit number down underneath it. And as they write that down, then you write this one up here in your prediction, 2, 6, 3, 4, 5, 7, 6. And you circle it, put it on your business card, put it straight down. You're done. You've got the magic, okay? Now, that's the first rule. So the second rule is whatever number they write down under here, you're going to subtract it from 9 and come up with each digit from 9 to come up with your number, okay? That's key. So you're going to have them write 1 and 2. Then you're going to write yours. This is yours. Then they're going to write theirs, and this is your last one. 5 lines. Have them added together. Turn your card over. Take your applause, and get out of there. Okay? So one more time with the caution, though. Okay? Here's a caution. If it's a 1 or a 0 at the end, let's say they come up with a 976-201, right? So when you take a 2 away, you can't take a 2 away from that. So what you have to do is you have to bring it over here. Oh, you can't do it because it's a 0. So now it's 201 minus 2, which is 199. Okay? So let's say it was a 211. You take that away, it'd be 209. So be careful with those 1s and 0s. A lot of people like to put 0s and 1s at the end of a number. So give me any, if you have any questions, give me a PM or something, or a call. My website's got my number. Give me a call and I can help you out with that one. This one's pure gold. You hand it out on your business card. People always remember your business card. Hey, this is Patrick Wallace. Thanks for watching with the Magic of Patrick Wallace. Have a great night.